Hey everyone, so it has been a while that I sat in front of a camera and talked to you guys, but as you guys can see by the title of this video is going to be about my new updated T7 notes and a giveaway that I'm going to be having. I'm so excited to be making this video because y'all, after so many months of hard work and dedication, I can finally unveil my T7 updated notes. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. But first things first, I do want to go ahead and say a heartfelt thank you to everyone who has purchased my T's notes. Your trust and support means the world to me, and I am incredibly grateful to be a part of your T's exam preparation journey. The fact that I made my T's video 3 years ago, I'm just so grateful and so blessed to still be able to help all of the pre-nursing students. So onto the notes. These notes are still packed with everything that I use for the T's exam. Now we all know that the T's exam was updated to the T7 exam since I took the exam. But if some of you guys are my old subscribers, then you guys know that my notes were updated for the T7 exam. So they made a few tweaks on the exam, and I updated my notes, and they've been updated for actually a few years now. I always get questions about it, and I did want to let you guys know that my T7 notes are up to standards for the T7 exam. Also, all that information is actually explained in the T7 notes. I include that in the first few pages, what the few differences are from the T6 exam and the T7 exam. There's like differences in the amount of questions, not really what the content is. It's just kind of like differences on what to concentrate on a little bit more, and a few little differences in the science section, but that all is explained in the T's notes, and that all has been updated. So here's just an example of one of the pages, if you guys can see it, and it just shows like the breakdown of what is included in the T7 exam. I also want to make it clear that my T's notes, it is an ebook, it is in PDF format. You can download it. I am showing you guys like a printed copy. I am going to be offering printed copies maybe in the future of the T7 notes. You guys let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in, because I know sometimes some people learn better with like the actual book in front of them instead of like scrolling on a tablet or on their phone or on their computer. So I'm just gonna now give you information on what's included in the notes. I am gonna be reading a little bit off my notes, so if you guys see me looking on the side, that is what I'm doing. So yes, so yeah, I already told you guys the notes are for the current T7 exam standards. That's broken down in the ebook. So basically I added a lot of vibrant illustrations. So my T's notes, I love my T's notes, but they didn't really have illustrations or anything like that. And I know that some people are visual learners. I am kind of like a visual learner myself. Like I can like use photographic memory and kind of remember certain diagrams and colors. I could kind of remember like what goes with what. So I know that this will help a lot of visual learners as well. And it also makes it fun. Like you want to make studying fun. When studying is boring, you might procrastinate and might not do it. So yeah, I added vibrant illustrations to bring concepts to life. I also streamlined the organization to make studying a breeze, and included helpful study tips like mnemonics and little tips as well that help me study. So basically I simplified a lot of the explanations as well. So I know that a lot of people are going back to nursing school. A lot of people, maybe it's been some years, because a lot of the information on the T's exam is stuff that we learned in high school. So I know it's been probably a few years for some people, so I made sure to try to make everything explained in a manner that even if you've been out of school for a certain amount of years, it's easy for you to learn. Also, my T's notes are comprehensive. They include the English and language uses section, they include reading, they include math, and they include science, just to ensure that you are fully prepared for the T7 exam. And also my T's notes, they're time saving. They're gonna save you hours of doing research. If you guys watch my original video, my notes, I study like different stuff. I use the ATI website comprehensive packages. I used YouTube. I've used like practice TEAS exams that I took. So I used a lot of different sources, and basically this saves you time from you yourself using a lot of different resources. It's all in one book. It helps you just get straight to studying instead of wasting time. So basically you can have more efficient and targeted studying. And also, like I stated earlier, my TEAS notes are in PDF format. So as soon as you purchase the TEAS notes on Gumroad, you just download it, and it's quick and easy to access them. You can access them from your tablet, from your phone, from your computer, anywhere you are, and study. So now I'm going to give you guys the details for the giveaway. I'm going to be giving 2 lucky people a free copy of my T7 notes in PDF format, and I'm also going to be giving you guys a $25 Amazon gift card. So what you guys have to do to enter for the giveaway, of course, you guys need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow my TEAS Instagram, which is Hermosa Bell TEAS, and my TikTok, same thing, Hermosa Bell TEAS as well. Once you guys are done doing that, you guys just want to comment down below this video done, and comment below what specialty in nursing you guys want to do. If you guys are undecided, that's completely fine as well. Just put undecided. But yeah, you guys, I'm so excited. Every time I get a DM of someone passing the TEAS exam by just using my notes and getting into their dream nursing school, or even just getting to nursing school, it makes all of this worth it. As some of you guys know, I graduated nursing school, so I was in nursing school. I was pregnant in nursing school, had my child, still was in nursing school. So it's been really difficult, and sometimes I did want to give up because it was a little difficult juggling my TEAS business, and also I was not able to really make any videos, to make any content, and it was really discouraging. But getting those messages, those DMs from you guys who use my notes and giving me that positive feedback just made it all worth it for me, and helped me realize the impact that I'm doing in changing lives and helping people get into such a rewarding career like nursing. So yeah, do not miss out on this opportunity to level up your studying and conquer the TEAS exam. It does not need to be hard. I want you guys to conquer it like I did, get into nursing school like I did, and graduate from nursing school like I did as well. So yeah, so make sure to do what you guys have to do to enter the giveaway, and comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss any upcoming videos or any upcoming announcements. But yeah, I'm super excited to hear all of y'all feedback from my updated notes.